Today, we are diving into the world of cannabis, especially for beginners. Let's be honest, it can be a really confusing landscape out there. But, technology is changing the game, giving us new ways to navigate it all safely and find exactly what we're looking for. Let's see how.
Sound familiar? Yeah. If you're asking this question, you are definitely not alone. With all the different products, strains, and ways to consume, it's so easy to feel totally overwhelmed. And that's the exact challenge we're going to break down today.
So, for anyone just starting out, walking into a dispensary, or even just browsing online, it can feel like you've stepped into a whole new world, one with its own language.
Right, you're immediately hit with all these terms like indica, sativa, hybrids, terpenes, not to mention hundreds and hundreds of different products. So how on earth do you even begin to find the one that's right for your specific needs?
But what if you had a personal guide, something to cut through all that noise? Well, this brings us to a whole new kind of solution, the AI budtender.
So meet Cuddles AI. The idea behind it is pretty simple. Instead of you having to learn this entire new language, you just tell it what you're looking for. The effects you want, your experience level, what you like. Then it does all the heavy lifting for you and finds a recommendation that's tailored just for you.
And the tech behind this is actually super impressive, boasting a 95% match accuracy. This means it's not just, throwing darts at a board. It's using real data to find a product that genuinely lines up with what you asked for.
On top of that, it's crazy fast. You get these really precise recommendations in less than 2 seconds. No waiting around, no endless scrolling, just quick, clear answers right when you need them.
And it seems like users are really digging it. A 4.9 out of 5 satisfaction rating. That tells you that people are finding it genuinely helpful and trust it to be a reliable guide on their journey.
Okay, so how does it actually work in practice? Let's walk through just how easy it is to get that first personalized suggestion.
It all boils down to 3 super simple steps. First, you share what you're looking for. Maybe it's relaxation, maybe it's creativity, whatever. Second, the AI takes your input and analyzes it against its massive database. And third, boom, you get detailed, tailored recommendations. It just takes all the guesswork out of it.
But this thing is way more than just a recommendation engine. It's really a full suite of tools, and they're all designed to make your entire experience smarter and, really importantly, more responsible.
Okay, picture this. A friend shows you a cannabis flower, or maybe you see a product, but it doesn't have a clear label. How do you know what you're actually looking at? This is such a common problem for anyone new to this world.
This is where a tool like the strain scanner comes in. And honestly, it's a game changer. You just snap a photo, and the AI tells you what the strain is. But it goes way beyond just a name. It gives you detailed info about its effects and characteristics, so you get immediate insight.
And this whole idea of empowerment, it really comes down to promoting responsible use. The goal isn't just to help you find something, but to help you understand your own habits and make more mindful choices along the way.
Just look at these tools. The Strain Journal helps you track your experiences, so you can really learn what works for you and what doesn't. The Tea Break Coach gives you guidance on managing your tolerance, which is a huge part of responsible consumption. And with community reviews, you get to learn from what other people are saying. It's like a whole ecosystem for mindful use.
So when you put all these pieces together, the recommendations, the scanner, the journal, it all points to one thing: confidence.
And look, this focus on responsibility isn't just some marketing buzzword. This is the actual title of an article from their blog, which shows they're really committed to educating new users.
This kind of educational support is absolutely crucial. So beyond just the tools in the app, having a library of expert articles helps you understand the science, the lingo, and the best practices for safe consumption. It's all about arming you with knowledge so you can make informed decisions.
So, the question really isn't just about finding the right product anymore, is it? With tools that offer personalized guidance and a real focus on education, the real question becomes, how can technology help all of us have a safer, more informed cannabis journey? It seems the goal is shifted from just consumption to true understanding.